Nvidia is signaling that the AI boom is far from over. The chipmaker has forecast revenue growth of about 70% in fiscal year 2028, ahead of the 44% growth analysts had expected. Nvidia also forecast third quarter revenue of about $108 billion, above the Wall Street estimate. In the second quarter, revenue more than doubled to $96.22 billion, beating expectations of $92.17 billion. Data center alone generated roughly $89 billion, meaning more than 90% of Nvidia's revenue came from its AI data center business. Nvidia says demand is accelerating even at its current scale, but supply constraints are limiting how fast it can grow. Memory shortages and higher component costs are also expected to pressure margins. Its next generation Vera Rubin platform has started shipping and is expected to account for about 20% of data center revenue this quarter. Nvidia also says AI labs could contribute around 25% of its overall business next year. The strong outlook helped Nvidia shares rise about 4.7% and lifted major Asian chip stocks. SK Hynix and Samsung gained around 2 to 3%, while broader tech-heavy indices in Asia saw fresh revival after weeks of selling. Nvidia is also expanding its partnership with Amazon Web Services, and the two companies planning to deploy an additional 2 million Nvidia GPUs across Amazon's infrastructure in 2027-2028. However, China remains an uncertainty, and Nvidia did not include China data center revenue in its forecast. The market response was also tempered by U.S. inflation, with numbers still well above the Fed's 2% target.